Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Appsheet with Google Sites. So the very first thing that we should take note is we have to deploy the app first before we can integrate it to the Google Sites. Okay, so first thing that we should do is we have to log in to our Appsheet account. So make sure that you have logged into your account right here. And as you can see, some of the app are deployed and some are prototype. So we are going to use a deployed app. So just have to select the app that you are going to use for Google Sites. So for example, this one. Okay, so just going to use this one, and I'm going to show you first on how you can deploy an app. So just go here to the manage section once you open the app and go to the deploy section. Okay, and then next click on the deployment checked, and then you have to run a deployment checked. So click on this one, and right here you'd be able to see if this specific category has passed. So yeah, you have to make sure that everything is correct. Then after that, just have to continue, and once done, you'll be able to see here now the deployed option at the top left of your screen. So it means that you have successfully deployed this app. Next thing that you should do before you can really integrate this app to Google Sites is we have to select the users or public this app. So to do that, just go to the security section. Okay, this one, and then go to the require sign in. So you just have to make sure that you have switched this off, and then make sure to toggle the switch on for the yes, the data in this app is public, and yes, I am authorized to set up an insecure app. Okay, then after that, you just have to save your changes. Okay, and as you can see right here, we can now see the data. Next, just click on the share option at the top right of your screen. You'll be able to see here now the share links option. So make sure to click on this one so you have the link for install on mobile, open in browser, and view, copy, or edit. So we are going to use this one, so you just have to copy this link and then open a new tab and then log into your Google Sites account. So using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out Google Sites, then make sure to select this one. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So you can either create a new project or select an existing one. So we are going to select an existing project right here. And as you can see, we just have to insert a new block. So right here at the top right, you have the insert, and make sure to select the embed option. This one, and we have two options, the buy URL and the embed code. So select the buy URL and paste here the URL that we have copied from the app sheet. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be able to see here now. So make sure that the authentication has changed, so the users would be able to see this link. So just have to select your preview. So you're going to use this one. Then after selecting, you'd be able to see here now the insert option. So just click on it and you'd be able to see here now your app. So once the users clicked on this link right here, they'd be redirected to your Appsheet app. Now for the bonus tips, make sure your app allows access for anyone with the link. Your embedded Appsheet app is mobile friendly and works inside Google Sites and any device. And you can add access restrictions to your Google site if needed via site settings, share with people and groups. So that's for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.